The green flag unfurls for a new season of racing at Toledo and Flat Rock Speedways next month. Both tracks unveiling their schedules today. Flat Rock opening its 70th anniversary season Saturday, May 7th. Toledo beginning the following week, May 15th, featuring the classic school bus figure eight race with NASCAR veteran Ken Schrader. The 𝗦𝗫𝗏 Series Shore Lunch 200 brings the Toledo Speedway season to a close on October 8th. Also serving as the championship race for local racers and national series based in Toledo. The track is a cornerstone and all signs point to a flat-out year.
We were able to race last year, but at this point in time, we didn't know we were going to be able to race, so we weren't really able to plan, and drivers and crew members weren't able necessarily to get sponsorship and invest in their race cars. Well, in 2022, the thought and the feeling is there's enthusiasm, there's momentum, everybody's planning on a full-scale season. What we're hearing from race teams is that there's a little bit of, I didn't race in 2020 because we couldn't, and I didn't race in 2021 because I wasn't sure, but in 2022 we're coming racing. So we feel really good about the car count.
It's been here for a while. There's been a lot of ARCA races here, a lot of late model races, all kinds of races happened at Toledo Speedway. So, you know, to be able to win here would be super special with all the history in the series, as well as just the history of a short track in the United States. So to come out of here as an 𝗦𝗫𝗏 Series champion would be really, really special. To be able to say that I won at Toledo Speedway would be pretty special as well.